Good morning everyone, welcome to today's video. We are going to be doing a beautiful gold and pink eyeshadow look today, and we're going to keep the face kind of basic, but the first thing is we're going to prep, and I am using and loving the Jurlique Essence water and the face firming oil. I'm going to do 8 drops of this. Just patting that all over the face. Actually, it might be a good idea to tie the hair back. And then we use 2 to 3 drops of the firming face oil. Rub your palms together and then pat that against the face as well. Instantly, I feel so refreshed and invigorated with this scent. It's very herbal. So if you're not a fan of herbal scents, you may not like it, but I find it very uplifting. We're going to start off with the eyes first. Okay, and today I'm using the kindly gifted product that Sigma sent out to me. It's an eyeshadow palette called New Mod. And these are the tones. Pinky, goldy tones. Just going to be using the NARS eye primer. And this just helps to make the eyeshadow last longer. It's not a necessary step, but sometimes I like to use it. Now with a flat shader brush, I'm picking up this medium pink shade here. And in this eyeshadow palette, it's called New Mod. And I'm making sure to tap that off. And I'm just creating the shape by running the brush over the top of the crease. Just like an arc, just like an arc motion. Just picking up a bit more. And that's the end of the eyeshadow look. Just kidding. Okay, so now we're going to pick up a gold shade, and I'm using the finger. This shade is called Glam. It's a beautiful gold. Putting that all over the lid and up to where we put that eyeshadow. It's more like a bronzy gold. This will all come together soon if it's looking a bit crazy to you. Now with my flat shader brush, I'm picking up this lighter gold shade. And this one here is called Hort. Just putting that on the inner corner. Oh, I don't know if my phone just went down by itself, but anyway, we're just putting that on the inner corner of the eye and blending it in with Glam. With the other side of the brush, I'm picking up this deep shade here called Edgy. It's like an eggplant. And just putting that on the outer edge of the eye and blending it in with Glam, which is that coppery gold shade in the middle. This is really more so just to give a little bit of definition to the eye. I think my phone's slowly going down by itself, which is so scary. Yeah, it is. It's creeping down on its own. Okay, so now the fluffy side of the brush, just a big blender brush if you have one, and then we're going to get a shimmery shade, and we're going to be dipping in with this. It's like a shimmery pink and the lighter color Hot that we just used. So shimmery pink and these two together. Tap, 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 and then running over the edge of that pink shadow that we used initially, just to blend it out. And then blending out the edge of that deeper shade. Oh my goodness, what is going on here? Why is it doing that? And there we have it. Just, I swear to God, this thing, what's going on? Why is it dragging down? I mean, is there a magnetic force happening here that I don't know about? I have no idea. There must be something. There must be. I have no idea what it is. We're going to complete the eye look with black mascara on the top and bottom lashes. I didn't apply the mascara on the bottom lashes, so now I'm just going to do a little bit of grooming of the eyebrows using the Milk Kush Fiber Brow Gel. For foundation today, I'm using the Rimmel Multitasker Concealer and Foundation in one. And I'm blending that in with the Sigma Multitasker brush. And now we can go ahead and put mascara on the bottom lashes. This just really helps to give a more open-eyed look. Okay, now it's time for a bit of contouring and bronzing. I'm using the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in Diffused Bronze Light, and using a Sigma High Definition bronzing brush. This is the gorgeous bronzer that I'm using today. And the bronzer just goes to really help not give a flat look to the face. It just brings out all the contours of the face, a little bit on the forehead, a bit on the nose, under the chin. And with that same bronzer, sorry, there's a in the background banging something on a wielding. Just apply a bit of that bronzer to the cheeks as well, which is going to be our blush. Because we have the pinky goldy eyes, we don't really want to overload the face with too much pink, so we're keeping it kind of in the neutral brown territory. Okay. And to finish off the look, guys, we are now putting on the final touch, lip liner, lipstick. This is one of my favorite concoctions as of late. The Essence 8 Hour Matte Comfort Lip Liner in the shade The Perfect Shade, and the Chantecaille Lip Chick shade in Sari Rose. We're going to overdraw the lips. And then we're filling it in with the gorgeous Sari Rose. And that completes the pink and gold, and that completes the pink and gold eye makeup look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider sharing it with someone who you think might get some use out of it. For those of you who have recently subscribed to my channel, Thank you so much. Welcome to my current subscribers. Thank you as always. I love you and appreciate you so much. Have a blessed day wherever you are. Bye for now.